Masikaba and Love You Biography, Age, Wedding, Husband, Movies, and Instagram. Masikaba and Love You Biography. Masikaba and Love You, whose real name is Masikaba Lekalake, is a South African actress, television producer, and presenter. She was born on September 10, 1983 in South Africa. She is the owner and CEO of Masikaba Media. Masikaba joined Generations, which airs on SABC, as a supporting actress before clinching main role in 2003 on E.TV soapy Backstage. She has hosted SABC Africa On-Screen Film Festival for 2 consecutive years, 2007 and 2008, the 2008 Highway Africa Awards ceremony, the largest gathering of African journalists in the world, Talk Show X, Let's Talk with Masikaba Lekalake with Tol Asmo and Refill We Modicel on the OpenView HD channel eKasi Plus, the 2007 Vukani Fashion Awards and the 2007 African Pride Awards, and E.TV game show I Love South Africa. Masikaba and Love You Age. She was born on September 10, 1983 in South Africa. She is 34 years old as of 2018. Masikaba and Love You Husband. Masikaba and Love You Marriage. Masikaba Lekalake Wedding. She was married to Vasi and Love You. The couple tied knots on November 20, 2015. Masikaba separated with her husband in early 2018, calling it one of the hardest decisions she has ever had to make. She made the announcement of their separation to fans in a social media post. "I've taken the very painful decision of separating from my husband, the love of my life, the man of my dreams. My ride or die," she wrote. "Sometimes in life the best thing you can do is the hardest thing you've ever done. We will always remain friends and fantastic parents to our children, and we will always love and care for each other." Masikaba was previously married to businessman Mfundo Nsibande, where the relationship ended in divorce. Masikaba and Love You children. Masikaba has 2 children, Lungelo, from her previous marriage, and King Itumling. Masikaba and Love You sister. She revealed that she has a sister who is 5 years younger than her. Masikaba and Love You net worth and salary. Masikaba is one of the richest and influential actress in South Africa. She has an estimated net worth of $1.65 million USD as at 2018. She earns $10,000 to $15,000 per show. Masikaba and Love You films. Backstage Season 1. Generations Season 1 as Upmarket Escort. Snitch Season 1 as Undercover Cop. Zazawa Season 4. Masikaba and Love You's move from Power FM to Metro FM. The radio presenter left Power FM barely a month after a tweet stating that she would be sacked caused a stir on social media, but Masikaba explained to Sunday Tribune that she did not leave Power FM for emotional reasons. Leaving Power FM was not an emotional decision. "Out of respect for Power, I cannot comment on the tweet issue or the events surrounding the tweet," she said. Masikaba has replaced Lerato Kaganyago on the Drive afternoon show with Mo Flava. Her fans have shown her love since she took over, and she seems to be settling in. She has chosen to take the high road with regards to the tweet saga and said that sometimes one needs to realize that there's different timing for everything in life. "However, I can say that people come into our lives for a season or for a lifetime," she said.